Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. On 19th and 20th September, the Salesian Bosco Net, in collaboration with Don Bosco Integrated Development Society, BITS INS, organized a comprehensive formation program on the mobilization of local resources. The event, held at St. Joseph Rural Resources Training Center in Umran, brought together 27 participants from 5 Salesian provinces in India: Delhi INN, Dimapur IND, Guwahati ING, Shillong INS and Calcutta INC. The event provided the participants with essential skills and knowledge for effective fundraising in the current Indian landscape. The main topics were current trends and approaches in the fundraising landscape in India by 2024, strategies for cultivating high-value donors and creating a robust database, social media utilization techniques, guidelines for launching new fundraising programs and scaling up existing initiatives, effective donor loyalty strategies, training on developing effective institutional presentations, mastery of body language and objection management, practices exercises, followed by constructive debates and reflections. The Don Bosco Salesian Institute in Parnamirim opened its new sports facility, the Don Bosco Gymnasium, on Monday 16th September. The opening ceremony, which took place in the afternoon with Mass, the blessing of the space and the opening of the inter-class games, was part of the celebrations for the 15th anniversary of the school's foundation. In addition to expanding leisure and sports options for students, the new space reaffirms the Institute's commitment to the integral formation of young people through an environment that encourages physical well-being, social interaction and sports practice, in line with the ideals of Don Bosco, said Father Ilmario Pinheiro, the rector. Salesian formators from the provinces of the Salesian America South Cone and Inter-America regions concluded their Continental Meeting in Campo Grande, Brazil on Friday 20th September. The meeting began on Sunday 15th, coordinated by the Vice Provincial of Saint Alfonso's Liguori Province, Father Adamir Lima de Oliveira, and the representative of the formation sector, Father Guido Ireco, a member of the sector led by Father Ivo Collio, General Counsellor for the formation. The meeting was attended by 37 formators from various stages, including representatives of the Salesian Brothers Regional Center in Guadalajara, Mexico, and of the Salesian Ongoing Formation Center in America based in Quito, Ecuador. The meeting took place at the Sao Vicente Lagao da Cruz Institute, where the post-novitiate curatorium is located. For many years, Spain has been one of the countries with the highest participation in European Mobility Week. Last year, of the 3,351 participating European municipalities, 389 were Spanish and 219 of them implemented permanent measures. In the European Mobility Week 2024, it is worth highlighting, as in other editions, the participation of civil society, social organization, institutions and companies which carry out activities related to sustainable mobility to raise awareness among citizens about the individual and collective benefits of behavior changes in the choice of a sustainable means of transport. Here are some Salesian houses that have organized their mobility actions in collaboration with local administrations and other bodies. The Congress of Salesian Cooperators SSCC of the province of Warsaw was held in Warsaw on 14th September. During the meeting, representatives of the local communities elected the new ASC Council, which will remain in office for a term of 3 years. The meeting was also a moment to thank the previous council for its activities. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.